Okay, hello everyone. I'm Mushtakhusen from Team A. So right now we are recording on StreamYard. So I'm going to present on delivering online learning. So there are some steps which we need to follow in order to deliver effective on online platform. So first step is onboarding. So onboarding is nothing but educating our students to get familiar with the applications which we are going to use. For example, sometimes we use Google Meet, Google Classroom or Zoom. So whichever application you are using. So maybe you can demonstrate your students. So in order to do this, what you can do is maybe you can record your video and you can share with your students. In order to record your video, so what applications do we have? We have got applications called Screencast-O-Matic or Snagit. So these are the two screencast which can be used to record your video tutorials and share with your students. So this is how you can educate your students as a part of onboarding. Now next one is the virtual classroom. Now what is virtual classroom? So once you educate your students, so you must be aware that which online application which you are going to use. For example, we have got some examples over here, like iteach.world, then Webroom, Appear.in, Big Blue Button, Zoom, to name a few. So apart from this, you can use any one of them. Okay, so maybe some of them are comfortable with Google Classroom or Google Meet or Zoom or some other, or sometimes we can go for Adobe Connect. So this is how you can be familiar with, or you can select the virtual classroom. After that, lesson content. Now this is very critical when it comes to delivering online learning. So sometimes we need to provide lot of content or the handout with the students. So in order to prepare those handouts, so what you can do is, apart from using PowerPoint or some other presentation tools, you can use genial.ly, where you can prepare very effective presentations as well as some charts and graphs. Then we have got course content. Now in order to deliver your course content, then again we have got some applications or authoring tool, so that can be used. So one of the authoring tools is h5g.org, so that can be used, and which is very much comfortable. Or this is a tool and plugin to most of the common elements such as Moodle, Canvas, Drupal, WordPress, etc. And finally, self-access mode. Now again, for self-access mode, we can go for any one of the LMS. So most of the people go for LMS or Canvas. So you can select one of the LMS to create your assessment in the form of, say, short answer questions, then quizzes, and rest of the assessment tools. So this is how we can deliver online learning very effectively. Thank you so much.